Hello class, welcome to our summer 2025 Data 10 course. I hope everybody is doing fine. Well, this is a 3-week short course, very quick, just for 3 weeks. And welcome to week 1. This is week 1. And this video instruction gives you what we are supposed to be doing this week, what we are working on for week 1 of our Data 10 class. Okay. I hope all of you have logged into this Brightspace class. This class is organized week-wise. This is the welcome announcement. Please do check the announcements from time to time. It tells you what we are doing. Okay. So this is week 1. Just make sure that all of you have bought your book. If you have not got your book, click on content and buy your books here. I've given you a link to the books. If you click on this, it should take you to the BCC books where the exclusive books are available for this summer Data 10 class. Okay. So click on this, buy your book. Make sure that you have the code to enter into your SIMNet. Okay. If you already have SIMNet and you are already bought the book, you don't have to buy the book. Okay. So if you have not bought the book ever, try and buy the book. If you already got the book, log into your SIMNet by entering into bcc or bronxcc.simnetonline.com. This is the link. Click on this link and sign up for your SIMNet. Okay, I've given you video instructions on how to sign up for SIMNet here. You can click on this and watch the video. After signing into SIMNet, this should be your class, Summer 2025 Data 10 Summer 3W1, Daniel Lazarus. I'm Daniel Lazarus. I'll be your instructor. If you don't see the class here, if you see another class, click on select another class and select the Summer 2025 Data 10 course here. Okay. These are the assignments we'll be doing for week 1. If you take a look, we are completing Microsoft Word, all the 4 chapters this week. Each week, typically, because this is a short session, I require you to spend at least 6 to 8 hours on coursework. Otherwise, you will not be able to complete your grade. And because it's a 3-week session, there are no extensions on this course. Okay, so we have starting June 2nd till June 25th is your final exam. The class is finished typically on June 23rd. The final exam is on June 25th at 6 p.m. All of you are taking the exam at the same time. Okay, so week 1. What are we doing? We are completing chapters 1 through 4, all the pause and practice exercises. I have worked out each and every exercises and screen recorded them. And if you take a look at this, you should be able to see all the videos. I have screen recorded all the videos here. You should be able to see them after this advertisement. And you can click on the playlist and see all the playlists here. You will be able to see all the playlists of Word. Okay. Look at these, watch the videos, click at these assignments. Each chapter has pause and practice exercises. Complete them. If you want to do your readings, please do your readings. If you don't know how to do certain things, you have to do your readings. And because this is an asynchronous online class, you do not have regular classes. You will have to complete all the work by yourself by looking at the videos and the online guides that are given to you. Okay. So week 1, we are completing Microsoft Word, chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. When you click on your SIMNet account, you should be able to see all the 4 chapters right on the home page. Okay. These will disappear after the due date. And first week, we are also doing reading for the chapter first 1, 2, 3, and 4 from your SIM book. Okay. There are other ways to access this. These are just the shortcuts that are here. The other ways to access this, if you click on the library tab here, this will take you to the book. You should have Microsoft Office 365, this book, and Computer Essentials 2023 book. If you don't have them, make sure you buy the books. If you already bought the books, call the customer service number. I've also given you the customer service number here. Buy your book here. I've given you the information that you can contact. I'll put down the information here, or you could just go and search on SIMNet. If you go to help For example, when you type bronxcc.simnetonline.com, it will take you to the help section. You can take a look at this help, okay? Or I will also try to put in the contact information here for SimNet, where you can call them and access the books, okay? But when you buy the book, you get access to Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office, okay? So this week, click on the home page, complete chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each chapter has 2 or 3 or 4 pause and practice exercises. Chapter 2 has 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So you will have to complete all the 4 chapters of Microsoft Word, all the pause and practices, copy them into one folder, and submit them here on week 1. If you click on week 1, there is a drop box for Microsoft Word SimNet coursework. Okay. And then you are to do your readings for chapter 1 through 4, which is here. If you click on your assignment list, chapter 1, 2, 3, and 4 are here. Okay, complete them. The other ways to access, as I told you, you can click on your book, on library, click on the book. Here you have 13 chapters. You can do the reading 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. There are different ways to access the book, but you still have to access the book either way. I've just made it easier for you. I put the shortcuts here on the home page for you, which will disappear after the due dates. Okay. And what are the other tasks that you need to complete on week 1? There are 2 discussions. One is a class introduction. You have to post your online discussion by a video or an audio. Okay. It is a requirement. If you do post it by words, if you type it, you may not get the grades. Okay, so screen record it using your phone or using your computer, and then you can post them here. Okay. The replies, however, to other students when you say hello back to your classmates can be in text. All right. Okay, and then there's another discussion. Please do read chapter 1 and 2 from your Computer Essentials book before you answer this question. Okay. Once again, the discussion is due by Wednesday. The first post is due by Wednesday, which is your post. And then you will have to reply to at least 2 other students or other class of your class. Okay. So you have Microsoft Word, 4 chapters, reading 4 chapters, and then you have 2 discussions to complete. Okay. If you want to see how you're being graded for your discussions, there's a discussion rubric here. You can click on that and see. And there's also a practice exam. This is optional after reading chapters 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is optional and this is not added to your final grade. So this is just a practice quiz you can take, and you can take it like 2-3 times if you want. Okay, that's a practice quiz available just to test your knowledge of your reading. Okay, so once again, welcome to week 1. Week 1 starts June 2nd today and goes on till Sunday, June 8th. Okay, please complete your readings. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me. The contact information is here. The course outline is here. You can download it and just make sure that all of you are up to the mark, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to share a Zoom link if you want to have an office hours meeting. I'm happy to do that. Good luck, everybody.